In any food service operation, accuracy and hygiene go hand in hand, especially when it comes to cooking meat. A reliable thermometer helps ensure food is cooked to the right temperature, but if that probe isn't clean, then cross-contamination becomes a serious risk. That's where proper cleaning practices and the right tools can make all the difference. Today's demo experience will address this issue and the solutions you need to know about right now, especially considering we're right in the middle of grilling season. At this time, I'd like to welcome a true pro to the program. Jesse, please introduce yourself and tell us about your background and how you started in your current role with Sani Professional.
My name is Jesse Wolkiewicz, and I've been in the food service industry my entire career. Starting out as a dishwasher, I worked my way up to executive chef, worked as a general manager, a director of catering, and even a restaurateur in many different segments of the food service industry. Once my kitchen days were behind me, I moved on to work as a sales representative for a broadline distributor. This has also led to my current role as the regional sales manager for Sani Professional. Food service is what I do, and I'm passionate about it.
Fantastic. I deem you an expert food professional. Now, how has your experience in food service impacted your understanding of food safety?
Having been in the food service industry for as long as I have has greatly influenced my understanding of the importance of food safety. Witnessing poor cleaning and sanitizing practices and the impact they have on the customer experience led directly to my joining Sani Professional. As a Sani Professional representative, I get the privilege of educating and supporting customers on how to enhance their food safety protocols each and every day with the number one product in the industry.
With your industry experience, you understand the challenges of day-to-day operations. Tell us this. What are some of the most common food safety mistakes food service professionals make when preparing meat?
Cross-contamination plays a major role in this, especially when raw meats come in contact with cooked meats or other cooked foods. Proper sanitizing and cleaning of utensils is very important, especially when you need to do that in between each use. And also, cooking meats to the right temperature is a key factor. When not done properly, you can spread bacteria, and that is a major issue when handling meats.
So, why is cleaning food thermometer probes more challenging than some of these other utensils?
Digital and analog probes cannot be run through the dish machine to avoid damage, so cleaning them manually is most important. They also cannot be cleaned as easily as other utensils, so cleaning them multiple times throughout your cooking process is much easier with a wipe and helps avoid cross-contamination.
Thank you, Jesse. So we need solutions. Can you speak to how Sani Professional food thermometer probe wipes make cleaning a thermometer easier and safer?
Thermometer probe wipes are designed for the task at hand. They take the guesswork out, and they're easy to use, ensuring that chefs can clean their thermometer probes during the busy service period without any hassles.
Perfect. Now, can you walk us through the steps of how to properly use the food thermometer probe wipe?
Insert the thermometer probe into your protein, letting it come up to temperature. In the meantime, you grab your packet, tear off the opposite corners, remove the probe from your protein, insert the probe through the packet, wrap the packet around the probe, cleaning the entire length of the probe, rinse with potable water, and let air dry. Simple as that.
Well, Jesse, you make this look easy. I need you to come over for my next cookout. But seriously, let me ask this. What sets Sani Professional food thermometer probe wipes apart from other cleaning methods?
Unlike traditional methods, they're single use, and they reduce the risk of recontamination, convenient and easy to use, and they're fast drying without leaving any residue.
What are some additional food safety tips for meat preparation you'd like to share right now?
Always cook your meats to the proper minimum temperatures. Wash your hands before and after handling raw meats. Cleaning and sanitizing your utensils and surfaces before and after use. It's always a great idea to use color-coded cutting boards in the kitchen, but thermometer probes are not just for checking the temperatures of raw meats. They're also critical when checking the food temperatures on your food lines and in the chilling and reheating processes for sauces, soups, casseroles. This will keep you in the food safety zone and will also enhance your food safety and cleaning protocols.
Well, we appreciate all this, Jesse. Thank you for what you do for the industry. Let's wrap up with this question. What are the key benefits of Sani Professional products for food service operations?
Our streamlined processes for cleaning and sanitizing will save time and effort during a busy shift, and in turn will save on your labor costs. Easy to use. Wipe, toss, done. This involves minimal training and reduces the risk of error. Enhanced compliance with regulations will help improve on your health inspection scores. Versatility. We've got a wipe for that. Not only do we have our food thermometer probe wipes, we have our dry food service towels, which are great for drying proteins, seafood, herbs, or any other job where a paper towel or cotton towel is involved. Our heavy-duty cleaning wipes with powerful degreasing formula, great for cleaning your hood fans, around your fryers, your grills, or any other area where you need a little extra oomph for cleaning. Our sanitizing portfolio will help sanitize your knives, your cutting boards, your slicers, and even your ice machines. And then we have our instant hand sanitizing wipes, which will help keep your employees and your customers safe and healthy. Visit our website, saniprofessional.com, to learn more about our Sani Professional full line of products. We've got you covered.